Hello to all, my name is Angie Jimena Ramirez, and today we are talking about the consonant and the vowel sounds. So, we have the reference, the International Alphabet Phonetics. This is divided in the vowels, this is divided in the diphthongs and diphthongs. So, we have the example. The vowel is E, E, sheep, sheep, E, E, sheep, sheep, oh, good, good. This is the ooh, ooh, should, should, eh, eh, bet, bet, teacher, teacher, I, beer, beer, oh, oh, door, door. This is a, cat, cat, up, up, far, 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 up, up, on. About in the diphthongs. In the diphthongs, we had the ear, ear, here, here, eight, eight, wait, wait, oh, tourist, tourist, oi, oi, boy, boy, oh, show, show, ear, ear, here, here, I, my, and ow, coat, coat. So, in the consonant, this is the vowels in the unvoiced and the voice. We have the unvoiced. For example, we had a p, p, fear, fear, f, f, fly, fly, tr, th, tia, tia, think, think, hat, sh, sh, cheers, sing, ca, ca, car, sh, sh, show. The voice, we have the b, but, v, video, um, um, the, duck, fit, fit, this, oh, love, gym, sa, red, wet, 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 good, go, televisions, and yes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.